Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Mutter Pulao in rice cooker. For that I have taken a cup of basmati rice and I'm going to wash it 3 to 4 times or until water becomes clean. And I'm going to soak this rice for around 15 minutes. And here are the whole spices I'll use in my Mutter Pulao.
Clove or long, big cardamom, small cardamom, choti ilaichi, badi ilaichi, shahi jeera, cumin, black cumin, star rice, bay leaf, javitri, I don't know the English name of this, and this is cinnamon sticks. So you need green peas, you can have frozen or fresh, or spices, whole spices, salt, and basmati rice which we have soaked for around 15 minutes.
So the first step is to add oil or ghee to rice cooker. Here I'm taking 3 tablespoons. You can adjust according to your taste. And I'm gonna heat it up on cook settings for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So it's gonna come to warm setting automatically. So our ghee is hot and I'm gonna add all the whole spices and mix them well. And we're gonna cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns aromatic. Now it's time to add our green peas and salt. And we're going to mix it and cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes on cook setting. After 7 to 8 minutes, I'm going to add the soaked basmati rice, and I'm also going to add water. So for 1 cup you'll need twice the amount, that is 2 cups of water. So I'm using the same cup and I'm just gonna add 2 cups of water. Mix everything well and then cook it covered for another 15 to 20 minutes or until you see the rice cooker setting is switched to warm automatically. So I'm gonna just stir it once in between. So our pulao is ready. You can make a lot of varieties of rice using the same method. You can switch up the spices. You can switch off the veggies. And this is ready to plate. I'm gonna serve it with rajma. You can serve it with your favorite side. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.